Hello friends, welcome back to new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Kali Linux in VirtualBox under 3 minutes. We have some prerequisites for this video, such as number 1, VirtualBox must be installed, and the second one is pre-made Kali VirtualBox image. To download the pre-made Kali VirtualBox image, please check out the video mentioned in the I button. I already downloaded the file here in the location. Okay, let's begin the video. Start the VirtualBox application. Go to the machine and click Add. And browse to the pre-made Kali VirtualBox image and select the .vbox file. And click Open. We have created the Kali Linux VM. Let's explore it. Before starting the VM, you can change the spec of the VM, such as RAM, CPU, and disk. Here I'm going with the default. Now we can start the VM. It does not take too much time as the traditional setup of the Kali Linux. It's almost completed now. Done, that's it. The Kali Linux system is ready now. Here we need to pass the credentials. Default username and password for the setup is Kali. Let's enter the username and password. Done. The process is over. You can use the VM as your wish. For getting the full screen, not needed to install the VirtualBox Gust Edition setup. This image also come with that. We can simply make full screen by clicking the view menu and the full screen option. Thanks for watching the video.